Today I share with you all how you can cook ogbono soup without palm oil. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Have palm oil alternative, blended ogbono, deboned smoked mackerel, spinach, salt and seasoning cube, pepper mix, bitter leaf and locust beans aka iru. I will add the palm oil alternative into the blended ogbono and then I will mix everything together. The link to how I prepare this oil will pop up right now. Just click on the link, the video will wait for you. After you finish this video, go ahead and watch that one as well. You absolutely like it. I'll go ahead and mix the ogbono together and then set it aside. I have some beef here and some shaki, which I already boiled. I'll go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients. Add the locust beans and the bitter leaf, and I add half of the blended pepper. You can blend your pepper smoothly, but I like a roughly blended pepper in ogbono, so the ogbono doesn't look boring. And you guys remember that I'm not making use of palm oil, so I want roughly blended pepper in the ogbono. But do you? Once I add the ingredients, I'll go ahead and stir everything together and add enough water that is going to be enough to cook the soup. I'll cover the pot and bring it to a boil. All the ingredients has been boiling together for about 5 minutes now. I'll go ahead and add the ogbono. Once I add the ogbono, I will start stirring it together so the ogbono can dissolve in the hot water very well so we don't have lumps, alright? Once you add the ogbono, you want to stir everything together really well until the ogbono start bubbling. Once it start bubbling, you can now stop stirring it, alright? And if you don't like this recipe, I have other ogbono recipe on the channel. You can check that out, alright? At this point, the ogbono has dissolved in the water very well. You can cover the pot and allow to cook, but this particular one, I didn't cover it. I just allow it to cook like that. Once it's cooked very well, I go ahead and add smoked mackerel and the spinach, and then I allow it to steam together again for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it, guys. It is super simple, but it turned out absolutely delicious. You guys cannot even tell that I don't have palm oil in this ogbono. In case you have all the ingredients and then you don't have palm oil, feel free to try this recipe. You will absolutely love it. That is it, guys, for today's video, and I hope you guys like the recipe. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy with any fufu of your choice. Bye.